Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Encountering error code 201 in Star Wars Battlefront 2 can be incredibly frustrating when you just want to play. This particular code typically points to an issue with your network connection or the game's servers themselves. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to diagnose and fix this problem. We'll walk you through them, ensuring you spend less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying the game. Let's dive into some easy solutions. The first and often most effective step is to give your internet connection a full refresh. Simply unplug your router and modem from the power, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Give them a couple of minutes to fully boot up and re-establish their connection. Also, double-check that all your network cables are securely connected. For the most stable experience, especially during online gaming, try using a wired Ethernet connection if possible, rather than Wi-Fi. This can significantly reduce connection issues. Next, let's focus on game and platform-specific fixes. First, verify your game files through your launcher, like Origin or Steam. This ensures everything is installed correctly. Also, try clearing your console or PC's cache, as this often resolves issues from old, temporary data. Finally, quickly check official Battlefront 2 social media or EA's service status page. Sometimes the problem is on their end, so it's always smart to rule out server issues before anything else. If basic checks haven't worked, let's try some more advanced network steps. First, ensure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the game. Add Battlefront 2 and its launcher to their exceptions lists. On PC, you can also try flushing your DNS cache. Open your command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushtons. Lastly, if you use a VPN, try temporarily disabling it. VPNs can sometimes conflict with game servers, so this check is important for connection stability. If you've tried all these steps and still face error code 201, a full reinstallation of Battlefront 2 could be your last resort. While time-consuming, this often resolves deep-seated issues. If the problem persists, definitely reach out to EA support. They can provide personalized help. Remember, the Battlefront 2 community forums and official Discord channels are also great resources. You're not alone in this, and help is always available there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.